So, how did you feel before the surgery as opposed to how you're feeling now?
Before the surgery, I had some pain, but I had very little strength in that arm. I could still play tennis. The only problem was tossing the ball, and I could do it. There would always be a little bit of pain, but when I tried to play golf, it would start hurting a lot after 9 holes, and so it was clear that I had a problem. So I had an MRI. Dr. Weber identified it as a torn rotator cuff with some question on whether the bicep tendon was frayed and on that left shoulder. Yeah, right now I don't. They won't let me do strengthening exercises yet because the biologicals haven't healed. But in terms of range of motion, I mean, I could toss the ball more easily right now after 8 weeks than I could before the surgery.
Okay, good. And so you're feeling good now?
I have almost no pain. Most of the time I have zero pain, and occasionally if I move it wrong, I'll have a 1 or a 2 or 3 for a few seconds, but I don't have any pain.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Okay.